friend Simone.
I am so grateful, Jameson, for your help today.
Look
So
at this. You
I
didn't have
got
to do
you
that,
an
Simone.
Easter basket, and I
Yes.
had to include my buddy John, of course.
Well, that's great. Look at that. Name it real big on there too. What do we got in here? We got some
Lots of good stuff.
some chocolate.
Yes.
A couple lollipops. Look at that.
Because Easter is not complete without an Easter basket.
Well, she got the memo. Like, if you want to anchor with us, you better bring something.
gotta bring some treats.
You better bring it. Oh yeah, and these look like name tags from The Price is Right.
Well, I wanted to make it big because I wanted everyone to see.
Because you knew I wouldn't have my glasses.
And I knew I had a hunch that
you
you might
found
be
'em.
forgetful.
Yeah, I found them. It was in my basket.
But, you know, we have to work on Easter, so we should get to celebrate as well.
Well, we thank you.
that was
I
very
didn't
sweet,
get much
Simone.
for you, but you can play with the clicker if you
Okay.
like.
There you go. There it is.
This is my first time up here. I kind of like it.
It's nice.
Yeah? Well, hopefully it is not your last. Nice things.
All right,
Wink,
well,
wink.
Dun, dun, dun.
Simone, thank you so much. And
Happy
everybody out there,
Easter.
happy Easter.